Good afternoon everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel Deeksha Karnataka. Today I am here in your Masterstroke live with the chapter Continuity and Differentiability alongside with the chapter Application of Derivative. Means two units will be discussed today. So both of them are from the differential calculus side. I hope you are excited for this because this is going to be one very important class for all of you. Both of these are high weighted chapters as per your KCET is concerned. From the first one you can get 5 to 6 questions, and from this one you can get 3 questions of minimum. So AOD and CND are both very important, very high weightage and extremely easy chapter. Maybe one question out of these 7 to 8 will be difficult. Apart from that, all of them will be very easy. You'll see that once I start solving the questions for you, then you'll see how our Masterstroke session on the concept session of this particular chapters was really helpful to solve all these PYQs. Means I can guarantee one thing, that whatever PYQs we're going to solve today will be relevant and of course will be from your KEA, and at the same time all the concepts that I've covered are covering all these problems for sure. Nothing is left out in our concept classes. So if you are thinking that, sir, is this enough? Because we have this thing that we keep doubting ourselves. Okay, so if you're thinking that is this enough, sir, let me tell you, yes, it is enough. Okay, just quickly check whether I'm audible and visible or not. Let me know in the comment section whether I'm audible and visible or not. Yes, I am audible. Yes, I am visible. So yeah, so if you have this doubt, sorry, let me get back to my point. If you have this doubt, and many of you do have this doubt that, sir, whether what we're doing in our concept classes, one-shot classes is enough for the syllabus. Yes, it is. How can I prove that? By solving these PYQs for all of you. Okay, again, how are we gonna solve it? Hi Kirti. So how are we gonna solve it? I'll give you the question on the screen. You'll have 4 options. As you know, you have to give me with the question number, this is the answer. I'll wait for your answer, then I'll start solving all the questions in detail, and we'll also give you tricks wherever it is applicable in the problem solving. Good morning everyone, good morning. Yeah, with me Sine. Okay, so good morning everyone. Yeah, sorry I mentioned good afternoon. I was thinking it's going to be a little bit late, but we made it happen a little early at 11. I can see many of you already here. Yes, Pavitra, hello, how are you? Doing well? Yes. So we'll wait for another minute. 1 minute we'll wait, and then we'll start the session. Okay, solving questions directly. No drama, nothing at all. Until and unless you have some doubt to ask me, you can go ahead and ask me. Hi Chinmay, how are you doing, bacha? Yes. Okay. You all had breakfast, right? Or some of you are just getting up? Because this happens since you're if you have no college, no school today, people do get up late. Okay, I was one of those people, but I hope you've been already up and you had your breakfast. Yes. Okay, sir. Yes. Okay, so I think we can start now. Just another few seconds we'll wait for others to join because this is an early class. Sir, will you solve PYQs? Yes, bacha, I'll solve PYQs and I'll show you, but I'll not be able to solve all the PYQs. I've brought today more than 30-35 questions, and we'll solve those 35 questions, but these are the most recent ones and the most relevant ones to the syllabus. Means this is something that we can actually analyze and prepare on. These are the very, very important PYQs from both the chapters. Okay. Hi. Okay, so I think let's start now. I think many of you are already here, and let's not waste your time. So I'm going to give you the first question. You all have to solve the question number 1. Now this question, what is this problem? This is a question of the property power is there, f power g. This kind of question is there. Whenever it is there, you apply logarithmic differentiation on this. But if you do that, you'll end up with too much steps and too much time to be taken. Then how to solve this question? There's a trick for it. Whenever you have the function's power in this way, xy, and you have the bases added up and the powers also added up, derivative is basically in the terms of variables dy by dx given by simply y by x. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Hi Pranavi, how are you, bacha? KCET PYQ. These are KCET PYQs. These are KCET PYQs, dear. These are KCET PYQs. Your Masterstroke PYQs are KCET PYQs. With me seen. Your Masterstroke PYQs are KCET PYQs. Hi Prajwal, how are you? Yes. What is the doubt? I'm not able to understand this. Let me know. Is my statement clear? These are KCET PYQs only. Sir, stressed about what, beta? Tell me why you're stressed. Tell me. We'll break it down together. How many of you are in this class stressed? Let me know. Let me boost your preparation. Let me help you with the stress management. How many of you in the live are feeling the same way Pranavi is feeling? Stress, sir. Then I'll ask you each and every one of you to help me understand why you are stressed. Okay. So first tell me, Pranavi, you are stressed. Tell me why you are stressed. Exactly, give me one statement. And others, Prajwal, with machine, Chinmay, are you also feeling the same way stressed? Because of the time that you have at hand is less, because you have too much to do, because you have boards coming up, you have so many things to cover and still have less time to do it. Let me know in this live chat, what are your feelings? Me too, sir. Nandini is also feeling stressed. Because believe me, once I tell you how to go about your things, this will all be sorted out. Okay, exam fear. Yes. Okay, yes, these are all genuine concerns, and don't worry, I'll help you out. So I think only 2 of you are stressed. First of all, understand this. So exam fear is good. It means that it's important for you. I have seen many students I have seen in my life, they don't care about examinations. Okay, even though they're good students, they're nice students. Okay, they're good human beings, but they don't care about examinations. So but there are reasons behind it. We will not go in that factor right now, but if you are concerned about your examination, that's a good thing. Okay, and why it's a good thing? It's because you are not studying here for the first time. You have been studying the whole subject, mathematics, physics, chemistry, for throughout the year. So even if you don't feel the confidence, you are better confident. Let me tell you, you are actually prepared. Sorry, not confident, you are actually prepared, because you have studied the whole thing over the year. Okay, throughout the year you have studied the same formulas, same concepts with me, with your different teachers. Okay, and if you're going to some tuitions, you'll be studying there also. So you are actually prepared, just that you feel, is it enough? I'm telling you, the fear factor is not going to help you. Okay, if you stress too much about is it enough, are you enough for the preparation or not, let me tell you, you are wonderful. Okay, you are here with me. It shows intention. It shows that you are someone who's committed to the improvement of your marks. Okay, so first of all, give yourself a kudos, a clap, that you are really hardworking, you are really passionate, you want to improve on yourself. Okay, many people lack that as well. Okay, so first of all, yes, first of all, kudos to all of you, a big love, big blessings to all of you, that you are actually somebody who wants to improve. Okay, so first thing is that the fear factor will not help us. So yes, let's break us down what we have to do in the time that we have at hand. We have to get good marks in boards. We want to get a decent college in our engineering, right? If we are liking engineering, because you're a math student. So for boards, we have 13 chapters. 13 chapters, out of 13 we have 7 to 8 major chapters. Yes or no? Let me tell you, there are only 7 to 8 major chapters. It means it will take 7 to 8 days if I study all those chapters every day, one chapter, 2 hours. So just if you want, you can break down the 7 chapters in a sequence. Starting with the calculus only, you go. High weighted chapters, you can pick high weighted chapters. Start with the calculus, because that's going to be how much worth? More than I think 45 marks. 40 marks in together. 35 is from integral and integration and differentiation. We also have AOD, AOI. It becomes close to 40 marks just from calculus. Start here. Okay, revise these chapters, and please understand this. I'll give you a way to confidence. If you are able to solve the PYQs, the previous year papers, with proper confidence, without any guidance, it means you are prepared. Okay, you're actually prepared. Okay, so try starting with the calculus. Then you bring on matrices and determinant. Okay, so let's say 2 days for this, 1 day for this. This is 1 day enough, bacha, for M and D, and 1 day for vector and 3D. Once you have finished these many topics, do one thing. Take let's say take 2022 previous year paper. Take the whole paper of this year. the entire paper and write this as a mock test. Write this as a mock test and see how much you are able to score. See how much you are able to score. Getting it? So once you get to have this idea, you'll see that actually what you have done is going to work out for you. All right? Yes. Me too, because cannot choose which college test or which test to write. Test in the sense, are you talking about KCET or individual college tests, or is it like for what do you call the test series that you want to take? Can you explain me with the scene? Okay. Nandini, does it help? Pranavi, does it help? Can you break it down into simple steps that you can do today, and this will help you? Just write one mock test after revising these 3 major units and you'll see a big difference in your preparation if you're stressed. Yes, and do not forget to revise formulas, and of course, you know, I'm here every step with you to help you prepare for your PU2. Have I given you strategy for PU2 maths? Yes, go ahead, check it out. Okay, I'm going to help you study for your MCQs, for 2 marker, 5 marker, all of that. Okay, I'll help you every step of the way, but trust me, believe me, you are enough, because I know it. Okay, I know when I was a student like you guys, I used to also feel the same way. Okay, that sir, what I'm doing is enough or not? But let me tell you, nobody told me at that point of time. Everybody used to think that I'm gonna be of no use, I'll be wasted. Do you feel that way? Sometimes people, you know, pinpoint to you and tell you that you are wasted. Okay, you're just wasting your life, man. You're just wasting your life, you know, beta, whatever the people call you around. Okay, they pinpoint it to you. I'm telling you, they're all wrong. They're all wrong. You are doing absolutely fine. Just you have to be a little bit structured. You'll get good marks in boards, you'll get good marks in KCET, and then you can say that actually what they were telling, or this was telling you, was completely wrong here actually. Yeah? Yeah, so KCET, for KCET, take this. That's the one answer for you. Have you taken ABHYAS with Machine? With Machine, have you taken ABHYAS? How many mocks have you taken? Take these 4 free tests. Take these 4 free tests. Okay, if you are trying to get into CS, you have to get a good rank, top 1000 rank. Okay, and for that you need to write many mock tests. For that you can take ABHYAS KCET test series, and we have brought this, which has given success to your seniors for many years. These are the last year's batch. They got this decent rank, very good rank. 171 is not decent, it's more than decent rank. And you know, this student, you remember Muhammad Sahil, have you seen his testimony? So this guy is preparing for medical. Okay, but last time he chose to switch to engineering, and he studied maths with me on my channel and took ABHYAS test series, and he got rank of 2427 by just preparing during the examination time. From I think Jan-Feb he started, and he got this rank 2427 in his KCET. So think about it. Can you not do it? Start writing mock tests. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, take this 4 free tests are there. No, bacha, take it. No, what is the problem in that? Take these 4 free tests. This is for physics, chemistry, maths, biology. You can take one each. Right? Take it, and if you feel it is important, it is actually relevant, then you can go ahead and spend the amount 1499. Is there a problem with that? Please do it. Okay? Come on, everyone in my classes should have ABHYAS test series, because I want all of you to get good rank in KCET, and this is how it happens. Next. Come on, question number 2. Sorry I took some time from all of you. Thank you for being patient and staying in the live, even though I was getting doubt of only few students. Okay? Thank you. Love you for that. Come on, question number 2 now. Answer for this question, how would you solve it? Tan inverse you can take on this side, it'll become tan alpha, then differentiate. Question number 1, anybody has doubt in it, how to solve it? Question number 1 is actually a logarithmic differentiation question. Remember, take log on both sides, then you go about this. It takes too much time, 2-3 slides to solve it. But simple approach is, if you have bases like this and index like this, and if you have the RHS side, bases added and index added, the derivative of the variables in terms of each other will be given by same order y by x. Got it? Here you go. Yes. Now time to give me answers for the question number 2. Question number 2. Come on. What's the answer for this question? Everyone who has not taken ABHYAS test series, go ahead, take the free trial test today. You have time. Attempt at least 1 mock test today. 1 mock test you attempt. Not for maths, it's okay. Physics you attempt, chemistry you attempt. Attempt 1 mock test, get the solution, and let me know how do you feel about that. Okay, in the comment section. Come on. So this question is very simple, sir. Tan inverse will go on that side. We have x square. Y square is tan alpha. differentiate, you get 2x, 2y is 0, 2 is common, sorry, my bad, 2x, 2y, dy by dx is 0, take 2 common, x plus y, dy by dx is 0, so we get y dy by dx is minus x, so we get dy by dx as minus x by y. Option A. Option A. Everyone, I want the answers, but please give me the answers. Okay, question number 2, nobody gave me the answers. What happened? Yes, come on. Question number 2 is clear. Let's move on to question number 3 now. Yes. Question number 3 now. Yes, 2. Bunny, good job. Welcome back to the live. Bunny was one of our students who gave all the correct answers in the previous live. I remember you, Bunny. Yes, I remember all of you who were there in the previous live and gave all the answers correct. It was, I remember matrices and determinant where you were very active. Good job. Y equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x is there. I'm looking for derivative. Think about it. We have tan over here. It means I need to make tan inside as well. And how do you make tan inside? By dividing it by cos. So take the expression that you have. Sin by cos will be tan x. Cos by cos will be plus 1. Same way, 1 minus tan x. This is a formula. If you remember, tan x plus tan pi by 4, that is 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x, right? Nothing is there, means I can write tan x into 1, and that 1 has written as tan pi by 4. This formula becomes tan of x plus pi by 4, and outside what we have, beta? We have outside tan inverse. We have outside tan inverse. Operate on each other. The answer will be x plus pi by 4 as the function y. Differentiate, you get the answer as 1. Answer as 1. This is one of the last 10 years question. Sir, I am studied very hard for JEE, still I did not get good marks. I want to study for CET now. Can this help me? Yes, it can. How? It is a PYQ from last 10 years. Check this out. Yes. Okay, sir, high weighted chapters of maths for KCET examination for both PU and PU2. Okay, so for PU2, beta, everything is high weightage actually, you know. Yeah, PU2, everything is high weightage. But if you want high weightage in PU2 also, start from CND, integrals, then you have matrices and determinant, you have vector and 3D, you have probability. Okay, these are high weightage chapters from PU2. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. So we have even AOD is high weightage only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters I've given you for high weightage of PU2. For PU1, if you're asking, I'll tell you to revise relation and function. Okay, you can revise PU1, PU2 part here as well, and you can revise trigonometry. Trig is important because trig questions are used, or trig entities are used in calculus in PU2. Okay, trig is important. Then probability, and other chapters has only one question each actually. Sequences and series, binomial theorem, permutation combination, all of these has only one questions each. Okay, if you want you can revise limits also. These are those chapters. Does it make sense? Kaveri, does it make sense? Okay, Pratyush is given the answer as D. D is the right answer. Yes, Pratyush. Sorry, I got lost. My bad. Somebody was asking me about KCET. This was your Aryan Bharat. So KCET, yes, these are KCET PYQs. You can see this is one of the latest question from here. So check here. You have to differentiate all these individually because there are 4 different functions. So over derivative and integration, we can distribute amongst each of the functions, right? Differentiate this one. Now don't worry about this one because that is a logarithmic differentiation. It will take time to solve it. Check here. But good thing is that every single option has the same answer. It means clearly first one derivative is common and we don't have to worry about that. Check the others. X par A par x and A par A. X par A derivative is what? A times of x power A minus 1. What is this going to be? A par x ln A. What are this going to be? 0. This is the constant function, right? So answer is a into x power a minus 1 that comes, and ax log a or ln a. Clearly option is what beta? B. Option is B. Yes. Come on. So which all chapters are linked chapters are from 11th and 12th? 11th and 12th Kaveri linked chapters would be limits and two other calculus chapters. Trigonometry is also linked. Relation and functions are linked. And probability is linked. Yeah, I think that's about it. Algebra, no, not really. We don't have link between, in this syllabus, we don't have link between your matrices with, some of the questions are there in complex numbers are asked in matrices. So complex number I would say, PNC not really, conics not really, and straight lines, no, not really. Sir, please, I gave you answer, Kaveri. Yeah, next, fifth one. Okay, fifth question. This is your fx cos x minus sin x derivative of function they're asking at pi by 6. For this question, because we need to open the modulus, we need to open the modulus, so let's check the nature of cos x minus sin x. Okay, let us understand the nature of cos x minus sin x. So cos x function will be like this. Check here. Sin x function is like this. The peak is actually attained at the point when it becomes 0. So let me change that. This is your sin x function. This value is pi by 2. This value is 1. So this red one is your sin x. This is your cos x. I'm looking for derivative at pi by 6. This value is what? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degrees and pi by 6 is 30 degrees. Means pi by 6 will be somewhere here. This is going to be your pi by 6. Clearly at pi by 6, but your cos of x is more than sin of x. Move on this side. You get cos of x minus sin of x is actually more than 0. It's a positive value. If it is positive, means this modulus will actually open with what? It will open with a positive sign. So we'll have just cos x minus sin x. Now differentiate it. You get minus sin x and you get minus derivative of sin is cos. Take minus sign common. You have sin x plus cos x. Now you put the value of x as pi by 6. Sin at pi by 6 is what? 30 degree, 1 by 2. And cos at pi by 6 means 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. Check the answer. 1 plus root 3 by 2 with the minus sign. Option is A. Fifth one, how many of you give me the right answer? Let us wait for that. Okay, Bunny has given. There are some PYQs in AOD related to conic section, sir. Yes, correct. Conic section, correct, there are there. Some of the questions where the curves questions are there, right? You're talking about the derivative functions being mentioned, Yeah. But conics means which are formulas of conics are not used there. Do you think that is used? The curves are there, of course. The curves of parabola and ellipse is coming almost everywhere. Okay, in AOD is coming, of course. Even in AOI it's coming. But we don't use the formulas involved of eccentricity or latus rectum in those chapters. Do we? Kaveri? Do we use that? Yeah. Sir, I have searched everywhere, but I am not getting KCET PYQ for last 15 years. I think last 10 years is enough, and if you want KCET PYQ book, we actually have made one book for all of you. Just wait for some time. We are working and we are making it better. Just can you wait for some time? Give me maybe 3 to 4 days, and I will give you exact detail where can you buy that book. I am giving you, I think last 20 years or 15 years book for KCET PYQ. Okay, we are working on it. Deeksha Vedantu is working on it to get a book which has a complete revision in the beginning, just for all the chapters, and alongside with the PYQs of last 10 to 15 years. I think it's 15 or 20, I'm not sure, but I think it's 20 years. Can you give me some time? We are working on it, beta. We are working on it. Very soon, can you just wait for it? Give me this comment in the comment section. If you need it, we'll get it ready soon. It's supposed to come a little later, but since you need it right now, so just give me the same comment. I think it will be very reasonable. KCET books are not that costly. I'm not sure. That's what I'm saying. No, it's work in progress. Our team is working behind it to make it happen. Okay, so it takes a lot of effort, no, to create a book. So we are working on it right now because we don't want to just give you answers. Okay, we don't want to give you answers A, B, C. We don't want to give you answer keys. So for every question, we are going to give you a proper detailed solution. Okay, not copied from somewhere, made by our own team of faculties. Okay, so we are working on it. Just give us some time. We are supposed to launch it a little later, maybe near examination. But since you all are asking, give me your comment in the comment of this video, not in the live chat. Okay, we'll ask the team if something we can do to get it ready as soon as possible. Okay, because I'll say some of you need it. It's a very good book. I have reviewed it already. I've reviewed it I think 2-3 times I've reviewed it already, but still some work is required. Some final print work is required, so we'll get it done. But yeah, do you need it? Then let me know in the comment section. It's going to be a very good book. Very good book. Not just answers, proper detailed answers as per your KCET. Okay, not some any vague answers like that. Okay? Okay. Question number 5A, Bunny, thank you. Your answer is there. Others, please participate. Pranavi, your answer was also there. Others in the live, please participate. Okay, otherwise, what is actually happening? Your friend here, your classmate here is getting ahead of you. See that? This is a KCET examination, it's a competitive examination, and Bunny is answering silently every single question. Anybody has doubt regarding the previous one, can ask me right now. Can ask me right now. If not, I'll move on. Sir, 11th is wasted, then can we still prepare for KCET in 1 year? You can, of course you can. You can get close to, 150 plus marks in 1 year. Yes, you can, beta. Yes, you can. You are in 11th or 12th? Yes, question number 6. Bunny, I want your answers. Bunny and Pranavi, you're giving me answers, give me fast. Come on. Come on, come on. Yes. Question number 6. Answer on the screen. This is a question. Again, I have given you this trick. So whenever you have a function like this, y equal to a function fx plus a function fx plus a function fx till what time? Infinite number of times. Then answer is coming as simply y dash equals to f dash of x upon 2y minus 1. In this case, what is fx? Fx is x. So f dash of x is what? 1. Answer will become 1 upon 2y minus 1. Option D is correct. So wherever tricks are applicable, I will certainly give you that. Yes, Shravani is here. Yes, so now this was the person who was competing with Bunny last class. She gave all the answers correct as well. Shravani, yeah. Okay, so Shravani is here. Bunny, your answer did not come. Okay, you're in 11th. Yes, bacha, you can prepare. You can prepare very well for your KCET in 1 year. Very well. Okay, just make sure that you get good marks in PU2. You can actually get top 1000 rank very easily. Very, very easily. Trust me, believe me, we have done that last year. We'll do it with you as well. Okay? Yeah, so everybody gave this answer. Superb. Anybody has doubt, you can ask me. Question number 7 now. Question number 7 now. Just that once we start preparing you for the next year, you have to watch all our classes, be with us till the end. Otherwise, you cannot miss. The problem with student is the backlogs. If you have too many backlogs, this is very difficult to recover. Okay, so have proper classroom presentation. You have to be in the class. Okay, come for all the classes, join, solve the questions with me, be till the end, and maths will be taken care of. You all might feel that math is the easiest, right? Actually, in the KCET and PU2. Yes, it is easiest. Question number 7. Waiting for your answers. Anyone? Can anyone give me the answer right now? Anyone? No one? Can I start? Okay. Sine inverse of 2x plus 1 is there. Clearly, sir, this is a formula. If you remember, the chapter is linked. Trigonometric functions or the entities are linked over here in ITF. You can see here. Okay. Take 2 power x as tan theta. So it becomes 2 power x plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 par x is nothing but 2 par x into 2 upon 1 plus 2 par x the whole square. It becomes 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. 7C. 7C is right answer for everyone. Superb beta. Superb. Good job everyone. Yes. Bunny is back. Shravani is also given the answer. We have KCET Warrior. Supriya also has given the right answer. I'm a huge fan of you, sir. Is it? No, you are all my children. You're not my fan, okay? I'm nothing over here. I'm your just simple teacher, your maths teacher. No fan. You're all my bachas. Whatever I can do to help you out, I'll do that, okay? Yes. So 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Formula is there? Yes, sir. Formula is there. Sir, this is the formula of sine 2 theta. Good for us. We have outside tan inverse only. Let's try. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay. What is the answer, sir? 2 theta. If tan theta is 2 par x means, check here. It means theta is tan inverse of 2 par x. Tan inverse of 2 par x. Right here. Sir, to tan inverse of 2 par x. This is my function y, fx, whatever it is. Differentiate now. 2 as it is. Check. Derivative of tan inverse will be what? 1 upon 1 plus whatever it is the whole square. Is it over? Tan inverse differentiation is done. What about 2 par x? We have to do it. Chain rule. To differentiate, 2 par x remains as it is. And ln 2 or log 2 will come. A par x is a par x log 2. Sorry, I'm taking some time. Put the value here as 0. So y dash at 0 will be what? 2 upon 1 plus 2 par 0. The square 2 par 0 log 2. Check here. 2 par 0 is 1. This value is equal to 1. This is also equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is cancelled. Answer is coming as ln 2 log 2, whatever I want. Option C is right. Thank you. Thank you for your lovely comment. But still, you are all my bachas, okay? You all are my children and I'd love to help you out in any way possible. So do not hesitate to ask any doubt. I can say, sir, you're doing this wrong also. That also is okay. Okay, you have that much of what you call right with me, okay? You are my students, means you have a right to tell me, sir, do this, give me this, and I'll do that for you. 7th is done. Question number 8. Bunny, Shravani, KCET Warrior, Supriya, all of you are please answer. Give me for question number 8. Come on, dear. Yes. Waiting for answers. I'll wait for a few seconds and start solving it. This is a simple question, I guess, right? I can solve it right now for all of you. This much I know, sir. Difficult question your Ankit sir doesn't know, but simple questions I can solve and move on. Yeah. Yes. Differentiate. We get this as parametric form dy by d theta dx by d theta. This value will come from here, beta. A 2 tan theta. How come, sir? Right now this function behaves like polynomial function. So tan square becomes 2 tan. Is it over? No. Apply the chain rule. Tan will be what? Secant square theta. Okay. And for this one, A is there. 2 secant theta comes. Again for the polynomial function. And then differentiate sec theta. From the chain rule it becomes secant theta into tan theta. Sec square and this is cancelled. Tan is cancelled. 2 is cancelled. A is cancelled. Answer is 1. My derivative value is 1. It means my second derivative will be, of course, 0, sir. A constant derivative is 0 means option will be B. 8 is B. 8 is B. Yes, Shravani, you got it right. Manshu, can you please check it is not B? Can I get KCET PYQ in PDF format? KCET PYQ book will be actually a printed book. Okay, PDF we cannot give, no. But these questions are, you're going to get all these questions in the PDF format in WhatsApp channel. But the book that we are making, that will be an actual book. You cannot get in the PDF. You have to book from our store. We have a store called as Vedantu Deeksha store. Okay, from there you can order it. It will be delivered to your home. Okay, it's a book. Yes. So C, somebody has given the answer. Can you tell me? Do you still have doubt? Because first derivative is C. Please check. Derivative number 1 is C, not the second derivative. They're asking us second derivative. Okay. So 12th is done. Sorry, not 12th. 8th is done. 9th one now. Come on, 9th one now. Anyone has doubt? I'll go back and help you over there. Okay. Yes. Sine 3x e power 2x minus 1 k minus 2 is there. Continuous means, sir, the limit value of the given function when x tends to the value a, in this case 0 is equal to f of 0. Limit exists means, it means LHL actually becomes equal to RHL. We can do all of that or simply use the LH rule to get the answer. It is not your board, so we can use LH rule directly. It's not board question, right? It's the KCET question. We can use LH rule directly. Use here sin 3x becomes what? Cos 3x. Because we are at the limit of this function, no? Over here, check this out. Limit of sin 3x upon e power 2x minus 1 when x tends to 0. Right now if you put, you're going to get 0 upon 1 minus 1. How much is that? 0 by 0. This is your indeterminate form. If you put in this function x directly 0, you get what form? 0 by 0, which is a indeterminate form, and we take it out using LH rule. Cos 3x becomes, for the numerator, into 3 will come. Differentiate this one, you're going to get what? E power 2x into 2 will come, and this will be simply 0. 1 will be 0. Now you apply in this the limit x tends to 0. This is going to be f of 0. Okay, we get here 3 by 2 is a constant, cos 0 is 1, and e power 0 is also 1 equals to k minus 2. Check here, this is 3 by 2 plus 2 equals to k. 3 by 2 is 1.5 plus 2 will be 3.5, that is 7 by 2. I'll repeat, 3 by 2 is 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5, that is 7 by 2. Yes. So all of you know the answers. Stravni, Supriya, Pratyush, Mashnu. Yes. Sir, please give KCET tricks for use. You already did few before similarly. Yes, beta, I'm actually bringing it one very soon. I think today or tomorrow it will come. I've already recorded it. So you're gonna get again those tricks in your shorts videos, okay? Anyone who wants to watch that in our channel, you can go and search KCET tricks. I have done 2 long videos, 2 or 3 long videos I've done. You can find those tricks over there also. So what happens, no? In mathematics, there are many tricks in maths, okay? But for syllabus, there's not many. And I don't want to give you just, I have a book of tricks. Should I give you all the tricks over there? It will not be helpful, okay? I can give you that, but it will be just simply misguiding you. Okay, you will watch it in 1,000 views, but doesn't matter. I will give you the ones that is relevant to you. Okay, I have to filter it out. So that's why I have done that. I have given you already videos. I'm giving you shorts right now for the tricks. I'll give you again if you want me to make one video for all the tricks. I'll do that. Okay, Ashwini, that works. Yes, we'll make. So this is a Masterstroke series. Right now we are working on PU2 syllabus. PU1 also we do, but we'll club the chapters because there are less weightage over there, okay? Answer is clear. Question number 10 now. Yes, you're welcome. Yes, we'll make. After your PU2 boards are over, then I'll bring back the one-shot sessions for your PU1. Then I'll bring back the lives of PYQs of PU1. Okay? Super. Question number 10 now. This question, same approach. Anybody has the answer? Shravani, you have an answer for question number 10? Bunny, Shravani, Supriya. How can I get PDF for all these sessions? I think we have already shared it. Many of you already know, right? But in WhatsApp channel, we keep posting the link of the drive, and from there you can download all the PDF section wise. I think 2-3 days back, or maybe last week, we had posted the link of all the sessions. Kaveri has given the answer B. B is not right, beta. Answer is actually C. Let me show you how it works. Okay. So we'll go again like this. Limit. It's continuous means limit of the function fx when x tends to 0 is f of 0. F of 0 is 1 by 2. That is clear. Limit we are looking for. So we'll apply the LH rule only. Limit 1 minus cos kx upon x sine x when x tends to 0. Differentiate this, apply LH rule. You'll get what? This will be 0, cos will become minus sine. So minus of minus sine kx into k. That's my numerator actually. What about denominator? Differentiate this by product rule. Differentiate x, you'll get only sine x is left. Next, plus sine. Keep x as it is and differentiate sine. You'll get cos x. Cos x. Now you have the limit. If you apply right now, you're gonna still get what? If you apply the x tends to 0 over here, sine 0 is the numerator. You'll have 0 by, check here, sine 0 is again 0, you'll have 0 into 1, again 0. This is again coming as indeterminate form of 0 by 0. We did the limit change from LH rule because we wanted to convert the indeterminate form to determinate form. But still after doing the first derivative of what? LH rule we have used, we're still getting it indeterminate form only, so we'll do it again one more time. So what we have so far, check, this will become plus, so right now we have sine kx into k. Differentiate one more time in the same limit. Apply LH rule again. Okay, so x tends to 0 is there. Sine kx will become what? Cos kx. We already had k, so we'll have to multiply one more time k. And take the denominator, sine will become cos. And for this, we have to apply again product rule. So x will be 1 cos x as it is. And we have plus sine. For x, we're going to keep as it is. And cos will become what? Minus sine. Okay. Now you apply the limit x tends to 0. Check. Cos 0 going to be what? 1 into k, so k square. Cos 0 is 1. Here you put cos 0 is again 1. You put here sine 0 into 0. So 0. You're getting the answer as k square by 2. This is your limit. And this is equal to what? F of 0. What is f of 0? 1 by 2 means k square by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. K square is 1. It means k value is plus minus 1. Plus minus 1. So important question for PU2 boards, sir. How to prepare for PU2 boards? Okay. PU2 boards, when you, it is your PU1 right now, no? Isn't it? PU2 boards, of course, important questions. There are many questions important. For example, do one thing. For PU2 boards, Kaveri, go and watch my video. Recently released, I think 2 days back, I have released it on our channel. Which is what? Your topic, section wise topic analysis. Go and check it out. You'll get understanding of PU2 boards. Okay. Next, question number 11. 10th, how many got it right? Shravani, I did not get your answer. Shravani, I did not get your answer. Masnu is saying C. Answer was C. Correct, Masnu. Bunny, I missed your answer. Everyone did not give me answer for this question. Why? What happened? Do you know or you don't know it? Shravani, Bunny, KCET warrior, all of you tell me whether you understand this question or not, what I solved in the previous one. If you don't, ask me again, I'll explain it to you, all of you. Same problem, take x as tan theta, you get 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of what? Same, sin 2 theta. We have outside sin inverse. So 2 theta, 2 times of tan inverse of x. Am I right? I get over here. If you differentiate this as y dash, you get the value as 2 upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Put the value of x as root 3. You get 2 upon 1 plus root 3 square. 2 upon 1 plus 3. 2 upon 4. 1 upon 2. 11 is A. That's not there. Limits questions, what happens, no? Are less from all the PU1 chapters, are less weightage in your KCET. Okay, so majorly 1 or 2 questions will come from PU1. Okay, so these are from your. The questions that you saw on the limits were not from your PU1, they are from the PU2. The function is continuous given over there. Continuity comes in PU2. Yes. 11A, 10th, all of them missed. Why? Pratyush, Shupriya, Shavni, all of your answers are correct. 12th one, derivative of sin x with, this is very easy, I'll not wait for your answer. Cos x upon 1 by x, so x cos x. This is, check this out. Are you all happy looking at this question? Are you all happy looking at this question or not? This is last year's PYQ, that's how easy it was, okay? So question is, answer is BU2, what do you want to say? How is it going to be? This is a function P and this is a function Q. What are they asking? dp by dq. So dp by dx upon dq by dx. What is derivative of sine? That is cos. Derivative of log 1 by x. That's your answer. But still I wanted my basics strong for limits and derivative chapter. Yes, you should have. You're gonna have use in your PU2, so you need to have basics strong. But you can solve the PYQs from your book in that case. Okay. For KCET, there's no many questions that comes. Yes. 12th answers, guys. You are getting slow. B somebody gave. B was the answer given by somebody. Yes. Masnu has given the right answer. Good job, Bacha. Good job. Others are falling behind. Come on. X e power y e power x is there. We are looking for derivative. What are we going to do? Take log on both sides. This is a logarithmic differentiation. So when you do that, you're going to get y over here. ln of xey. ln of e power x. X will come over here. Right? Over here, you're going to get what? Y times of, check here, ln x plus ln e. The application of product rule in log, we get here x ln e. ln e is 1. ln e is 1. So we get here y into ln x plus 1 equals to x. Bring x over here, you're going to get y equals to, so y by x equals to 1 upon ln x plus 1. Okay. Okay, sir. Will it be useful? I'm not sure. We'll check this out. X upon, okay, it's not useful actually. So ln x plus 1 is there, differentiated. You get here x as 1, keeping this as it is, minus over here x as it is, differentiate ln x plus 1, so 1 by x plus 0. I hope you all know how to find the quotient rule, right? Differentiate the numerator, keep this as it is, minus, keep the numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator. And this will be denominator the whole square. Okay, so x and x is cancelled. You get here ln x plus 1 minus 1 by ln x plus 1 the whole square. Cancel, answer is coming as ln x upon ln x plus 1 the whole square. Option is D. I want answers from all of you before I have given the final result. It's okay, you can prepare this year for your KCET. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, 13th is done, guys. 13th doubt. Anybody? D. D is right answer? Yeah, D is right answer. Supriya correct, Pratyush correct, Bunny correct, Mashnu correct, Shravani also correct. Yes, superb, guys. Good going. This one, last year paper, I think. No, this is not last year, but a good question actually. I think this I saw in your comment K also. This question was there in your comment K as well. Yes. If you have y equal to 2x n plus 1 plus 3 upon x power n. X power minus n actually, okay. 2x n plus 1 and 3 times of x power minus n is what we have, right? Correct, no? We want the value of x square times of second derivative. Let's do one thing. Find the second derivative first, then multiply that with x square. So y dash you start with, or y1. 2 times of n plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus 1. That's how we go about this. Over here. Minus n, x power minus n minus 1. Take this out. You'll have 2 times of n plus 1 x power n and we have minus 3n x power minus n minus 1. Am I right? Okay, so let's do one thing. I'll rewrite this as one more step, 2 power n, 2 times of n plus 1 x power n minus 3 into n x power minus n plus 1. Okay, minus n plus 1. This is my first derivative, y1. Differentiate again to y2. You get 2 times of n plus 1 as it is. This n will come in front. So n times of x power n minus 1. Over here, minus 3 as it is. N as it is. This will come in front. You'll get minus n plus 1 with x power minus n plus 1 minus 1. Correct? Minus 1. Alright. So I'm getting this value of y2 as 2 times of n into n plus 1, and we have x power n minus 1. Simplify this. This minus can be taken over here with this minus. It will become plus. So 3 times of n into n plus 1 and x power minus n minus 2. Correct, no? If you expand it, you'll get what? Minus n minus 1. You also taken another minus. It will become minus n minus 2. So now just check here. I already have y2 value. So I'll write this as x square y2. Check this out. I can also take n into n plus 1 common now. Check here. N into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 is common. So I'll do that first. N into n plus 1 I have taken common. Put a bracket. I have 2 times of x power n minus 1. But I have multiplied x square over here. I have multiplied x square. So right here, x square plus 3 times of x power minus n minus 2, and I multiplied again x square in the second term as well. Okay, check this out. I write this term as x square d square y upon dx square. That's what it means to be second derivative. N into n plus 1 is there. Check here. Same base power is added. If you add 2 to this, n minus 1 plus 2, how much is that? N plus 1. So right here, x power n plus 1. Here, again, same thing. N minus 2, sorry. Excuse me. What do we have? N minus 2 plus 2 cancels. So x 3 power minus n, okay, not 3. 3 into x power minus n we have, and if you check carefully, I'm getting this as n into n plus 1. This value is same as y. Option is A. Check. Yes, Supriya, your answer is right. Bunny, Pratyush, Shravani. Others, please don't give, don't miss out on the answers. Give me your whatever you are thinking, what you are getting. Then only I can make it right, no? Then only I can change it to the right answer or the right way to think the question. This is a good question actually. Okay. Now, they can read out in your mind. Sir, 2 questions can come from all of you. I will not have time to solve this question in the examination, sir. This is a lengthy question. What is the trick? No trick. There is no trick in this question involved. If there was, I will give you that. Then how can we get it done in less time, sir, in 1 minute? Chances are that you are not going to get this in 1 minute. Reason is very simple. If you solve the steps, it will take a lot of time. Okay. So this might be a lengthy question in the examination. So of course there can be lengthy question, there can be very simple question also. So you have to save time in simple questions to spend time over here. One approach is that. Second approach, you can do these steps in your mind. They are very simple algebraic approach that you can do in your mind. Okay, you can see a pattern building up. You can see that when you differentiate, you're going to get this n into n plus 1 forming second time. And if you multiply with x square, you'll get this rid of n minus 1 as, and it converts to what? N minus 1 to n plus 2. Sorry, n plus 1 by multiplying with x square. So this can be understand and realized by having enough practice under your belt. Okay. 15. There is no trick involved, that I'm telling you. No trick for this question number 14. If a and b are fixed non-zero constant, then the derivative of this will be what? Okay. Check from here. It's easy. Differentiate cos x. We'll get minus sin x. They're saying this is derivative. Derivative is what? ma nb minus p. So compare The p value is what? Sin x. It means these two options are already gone. Because if you compare the derivative of cos, it becomes minus sine, and the same derivative is given in the form ma, nb and minus p. It means p has to be not minus, just plus sin x. First thing is clear. Alright sir, p is sin x, we understood that much. What about the other terms? Take any one of them, differentiate this one. A x power minus 4 is there, differentiate this. You're going to get this value as a minus 4 into x power minus 4 minus 1. So minus 4a upon x power 5. Now you compare. Can this be the answer or this be the answer? Of course sir, it looks like x power 5 in only this form, hence answer is option B. Hence option is B. Your preparatory, have you not given already preparatory bacha? But Shravani, don't worry about it, because what actually happens now, that you have time after boards this time, okay? So, and I have covered major topics. Just one chapter is there, which is integrals. Please watch it, it's important. After that, the first 7 chapters are the important ones. After that, yes, there is Vector 3D. You can come back and watch it after your boards are over, okay? I understand your point. But if I have a request to make, you have watched already this session, I'm giving you one class on integrals, and next live will be on integrals only. So if you can watch those at least, it'll be helpful, bacha. Okay, but don't worry, you can watch it later. All right. Hello, Tom Cruise. Such a good name, man. My favorite actor in the world, Tom Cruise. Okay. 15 is done, guys. 16th one. But good thing is that we have time this time. Okay, after the boards we have enough time. Yeah. Correct. Pratyus, right answer. Supriya, right answer. Bunny did not give me answer for this question. Yes, beta. Question number 16. This is an easy question. We're looking for both continuous and differentiable function. For continuous, simply apply the limit for this condition. You can see f of 1 is coming as 0, because here the equality holds true. Okay. Yeah. 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity is there, and this is open, this is closed. Sorry, this is also open, my bad. And this is what? This is the condition. Okay, this is your LHL side. Okay, but your f of 1 can be hold true from this. So f of 1 is coming as, if you put x minus 1, it will become 1 minus 1, which is 0. And what about limit? If you apply, you have to choose this condition. So x cube minus 1, and what limit is this going to be? Actually RHL. So this is 1 to infinity, right? So this is going to be RHL. So apply this condition, you're going to get what? 1 minus 1 only, so 0. Correct, no? 1 cube minus 1 will be 0 only. They're equal actually. These values are equal, it means the limit value of the function x tends to 0 is equal to what? F of 0. Hence answer is what? Continuous. The given function is continuous. This is for 12th chapter, not 11th, Kaveri. Okay, this is clear. F of, okay, now this is complete. Now we're looking for different derivative. So we'll write f dash of x, differentiate, you'll get this as 3x square minus 1, which will be 0. So we don't write that, and it will be 1. Okay, now if you think about it, 1 second, we can just remove this. 3x square and 0 and 1 is there for derivative of the second part, and from here 3x square. When you put x value as 1, in this case you're going to get this value, which is going to be your RHD as 3, and the LHD is coming as 1. Your LHD is clearly not equal to what? RHD, hence answer is what? Non-differentiable. So continuous but not differentiable. Answer is B. Yeah. Then sir, other chapters of 11th are not much important. Look, 11th actually builds your basics for your 12th preparation, and 11th has close to 80 to 20 marks out of 14 chapters which is there. There are total of 14 chapters, right, in 11th grade. Total 18 to 20 comes in your KCET examination. That's how it is important. Okay. And since CET or KCET examination is about scoring high, so every marks count. That's why we cannot ignore 11th or low weighted chapters of PU2 as well. But if you ask the priority to any teacher, they will of course tell you that you prioritize the high weighted chapters. Won't they? Yes. Yes, 16B is right. Everyone get the correct answer. 17th one. Yes, 17th one. This is a simple question. Differentiate this. You're going to get y dash as 2 cos x square. Differentiate. This is the derivative of polynomial function. Cos will become minus sine x square. Differentiate x square. You're going to get what? 2x. So do one thing. Check here. Something is forming over here. Take minus 2x outside. You're getting what value? 2 sine square cos square. So sine 2x square. Minus 2x sine 2x square. Option C is correct. So there's this time question paper from boards or for 11. No, 11th grade questions are not coming from boards. 11th question are not coming from board this year. 11th grade questions are not coming from the boards this year. 12th is 17th is C, correct. 18th. This question over here, how do you solve it? Very simple. Apply log on both sides. You're gonna get what? ln y. Check here. You're gonna get, if you apply log, you'll get log a b into c. You're gonna get what? Log of a b c. If this is value a, this value is b, and this value is c. You're gonna get this result as, excuse me, this will become ln a plus ln b plus ln c. Sorry, ln c. So you're gonna get this value as, check this out, 2 times of ln x minus 1 plus 3 times of ln x minus 3. My mistake. X minus 2 plus ln x minus 5 with the multiplication. Yeah. 5 times of ln x minus 3. This is your ln y, okay. Differentiate, you're gonna get what? 1 by y dy by dx. Over here, you're gonna get this as 2 upon x minus 1, 3 upon x minus 2, and 5 upon x minus 3. Correct? Now, you want to have the value of y, so write the y value at 0.4 first. Find this value, y at 4. 4 minus 1 the square. So 3 square into 4 minus 2 the cube. 2 cube, 4 minus 3. So 1 power 5. This is going to be 9 into 8. That's 72. Okay. So find the derivative now. dy by dx will be what? Y into these values. 2 upon 4 minus 1. That's 3. 3 upon 2. And 5 upon 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. Y value is what? 72 outside. Check here. LCM is 6, I guess. 3 2 ja means 4. 2 3 ja means 9. And 1 6 ja means 5 6 ja. So 30. Correct? Am I right? Check here. 6 into 12. 12 plus 30. We get 43, no? Is it right? 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 into 12. Okay. So we get answer is coming as derivative when x is what? 4 is coming as, check, 12 3s are 6, carries 3, 12 is 36, no? So carries 3, 12 4s are 48 plus 3, 51. Answer is option D. Answer is option D. Yes, Narayana, your answer is correct. Narayanamma, Krishnappa. Pratyush, D correct. Shavni, waiting for your answer, bacha. Hello. Supriya, answer is D correct. Everyone, did you forget to like the session? Do not forget to like the classes that you are attending. If you are enjoying, if you are learning from it, because it tells us whether you want the series to continue or you want, what is your feedback, because whatever we are doing over here, it is for your benefit. If it's not helping you out, we'll not do it anymore. Okay, so if you want these classes to continue, any classes that you like, give a thumbs up in this or give a like in this class or in that video, and let us know your queries in the comment section. Okay, so then only we'll get to know that what we're doing is actually helping you out. Otherwise, we'll try something different. Okay, because ultimately we cannot get slack, we cannot waste our time. It has to be something that is going to be helping you out. If not helping, we'll not continue that. Yes, so if you are here, two things: like our sessions. Second is keep the notification bell always on, and do not miss the classes. Do not miss the classes. 18th is done, 19th one now. Yes, come on. Yes, Pratyush, good job. Everyone has got the right answer for this question. This is a simple one. I guess this is a very simple one. Differentiate this first, you're gonna get 2x tan inverse of x. Okay, now next, keep this as it is, and differentiate tan inverse, you're gonna get this as 1 upon 1 plus x square, and this will be minus 1. This is cancelled. 2x tan inverse of x, 1 minus 1, so cancelled. Derivative is what? 2x tan inverse of x. 19th is A. It's A, Manjula, please check. Yes. Done. Next one, 20th. This is the quotient rule. Let's solve this right now. They get here y equal to cos x will be minus sin x, and 1 plus sin x continues. This time plus minus sin, actually cos x as it is. Differentiate 1 plus sin, it will become simply cos x divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. Okay, check here. I get minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. Okay, check. This is going to be minus 1, right? It's going to be minus 1. All right, I'm getting here minus sin x minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x the whole square. Take minus sign common, we will get sin x plus 1 plus sin x the whole square. This is cancelled. I have the answer as minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So option A is correct. This is correct. I did not write KCET, sir. I got Comet K, but it was long. I don't remember my rank, but I studied from PYQs College. I wrote Comet K, and I don't remember my rank, but I was from this college. Have you heard of it? PYQs. I wrote my exams in 2015, so it was long back. This is clear, guys? Yeah. Now you have the y dash value as minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Okay. Now look at this. We have option as only 1 correct, only 1 and 3 correct. So let's say we know that we don't have to worry about these two statements because we got 1 as correct. It means either B is right or C is right. Let's quickly check the option C. Okay, now 1 plus sin I want to go to sec square. It means I have to make this as cos, right? Good job. Aim better, aim higher. Okay, I wish that you get a good college in your you get to PYQs if you want to get into PYQs. Yeah, good. All the best. Whatever I can do to help you out, I'll do that. Check here. I want to go from here to sec square. If I want to check it out, so I want to go and think in that direction. So you know that I can convert sine and cos into sec if I have what? If I have 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x. So can I make this into cos x? I can. by making this as cos of pi by 2 minus x. Again, why I am doing this? Because I got option 1 is right, but also this option which says 1 and 3 are correct. I'm checking whether can we convert option 1 or to option 3, because can you have a different derivative? Not altogether. It means they are both the derivative only. It means they have to have a different form, right? So we need to just convert the form over here, right? So I want to convert this into sec square. Sec square will be there only if you have cos square in the denominator. I can convert this into cos if it was 1 plus cos. Correct, no? So write sine as cos of pi by 2 minus x. We can do that. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Okay, sir. So let's replace one thing. Pi by 2 minus x as the angle theta. Just for our fun and make it easy. 1 plus cos theta I have. This is the formula for this. If you remember, what is the formula? 2, 1 plus cos is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Correct, no? 2 cos square theta minus 1. No. Sorry, my bad. Already 1 is there, no? Sorry. 2 cos square theta. My bad. 2 cos square theta. Okay. This minus 1 is already over here. It means that I get minus 1 by 2 constant outside. And this is what? 1 by cos square theta by 2. Formula is there, sorry. So it becomes what? Minus 1 by 2 secant square theta by 2. The formula I'm using is this one. Cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This one was already here if you remember. Now check this out. I'll put it, this is what? This all is dy by dx. I'll put back in the same variable form. Dy by dx is there. Minus 1 by 2 is there, and we have sec square now. So secant square theta is pi by 2 minus x. So theta by 2 will be what? This will be pi by 4 minus x by 2. Theta by 2, half of that. Minus x by 2. Minus, check once. Same thing is there. Also correct. It means option C is actually the right answer. Have a look. Over here also. Yes, Manjula, it is a KCET class. These are the questions from KCET PYQs. Yeah. Question is done. 3. Now if you're asking, sir, is there a trick in this question? There is not. Okay, there is not. So if you want, so how can a student get it done within a given short amount of time? Logic is, this part is easy. This part you can get directly from here, your quotient rule. You can solve the quotient rule in your mind also. Not a problem. Then you can relate here. The logic is, if 1 is correct, 2 cannot be correct because the combination is not there. Okay, 2 cannot be, because we have 1 and 3. Now check, can we convert 1 to 3 or not? Logic is, if you have 1 plus sine, then yes sir, sine can be made into cos of 90 minus theta or 90 minus x. And if you have 1 plus cos, it becomes 2 cos square. So cos square means it becomes sec square. So this question over here, you don't have to write how many steps are written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. You can solve these questions in 2 to 3 steps if you are confident about your formulas. Okay, logic is, if 1 is correct, 2 cannot be correct. There's no combination as such in the options given. So if 1 is correct, only 3 can be correct. Check it with your logic, with your formula understanding. So yes, this can be solved within 1 minute if only you know the formulas well. Does it make sense now? Yes. Sir, what's your rank? Okay, let's move on. 21 now, question 21 now. A function fx is e power 1 by x minus 1, e power 1 by x plus 1. So for this, whenever you have exponential function, we have a graph if you remember. This is your graph. So basically it means that when x goes to plus infinity, y goes to plus infinity. This is e power x actually. And when x goes to negative infinity, y goes to what? 0. Goes to 0. I'm looking for, check here, continuity first. So limit of e power 1 by x minus 1 upon e power 1 by x plus 1. Let's apply here limit x tends to 0 from the left hand side. From the left hand side. Okay, I'm applying this for the left hand limit. What happens over here? This becomes e power minus 1 by 0. It means negative infinity. This comes out as negative infinity minus 1, same thing. This becomes 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Answer is minus 1 by 1. Answer is simply minus 1. This is the value of your left hand limit. Value of your left hand limit. What about RHL beta? What about RHL? Same thing you do, just taking this thing common. You'll have 1 minus e power minus 1 by x. I've done what? I've taken e power 1 by x common. Okay, to make this minus sign. Same way. Over here also 1 plus e power 1 by x. If you're not sure, do one thing, multiply. E power 1 by x into 1 is what? E power 1 by x. E power 1 by x into, this will become what? Simply minus 1. Power base is same, power is just opposite of sign. It will become 0. E power 0 is 1. Now in this, limit of x tends to 0 positive. This is cancelled. Check here. On positive of 0 it will become what? It will be 1 by positive 0. It will become again 1 minus e power minus infinity. 1 plus e power minus infinity. Answer will be 1 by 1. Answer is 1. This is your right hand limit. Left hand limit is minus 1. Right hand limit is plus 1. Are they equal? They are not equal, sir. The left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. It means limit does not exist. It means function not continuous. Fx is not continuous. Answer is B. Check. This is last year PYQ. What's the class time, sir? I still have, I think, 10-12 questions left. So another 40 minutes. Yeah, 30-40 minutes. Supriya, good job. Anybody has doubt what I did in the RHL side? Simply take e power 1 by x common to make this. Think about it. If you have e power minus 1 by x and x tends towards 0 on the positive side, what it means? You go to 0 from this side, the positive values. So since you have, so this will be what? Plus infinity. This value will be what? Minus of plus infinity. Combine them, it becomes. And what is that? 0. Answer is RHL is 1, LHL is minus 1. They are not equal. Guess Panchula. B is right answer. Next. So last two questions of C and D. Last two questions. Then I move on to the AOD side. Then I have, I think, close to 12 questions for AOD also. Look, the thing is, this chapter is important for your syllabus, CND and AOD. That's why I've taken too many questions, and I don't want to skip anything. Okay, I don't want to skip anything important. So that's why I want to give you confidence and prepare you for the worst also. Okay. Question number 22. See here. Last year PYQ. Derivative of this differentiated. This is parametric form. We're gonna get this as with this first. So a3 sin square t, you'll get what? Cos t upon a3 cos square t minus sin t. Check here. A cancel, 3 cancel. Cos cancel with this cos square. Sin cancel with this sin square. You get minus sin by cos. So that is tan t. This sin by this cos. So tan t minus tan of 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is which quadrant? This is the angle of 3 pi by 4, because if this is going to be what? Pi by 4 minus pi by 4. This is pi. Pi minus pi by 4 is how much? 3 pi by 4. This is the second quadrant. Tan is negative over there. So minus of minus 1. Answer is 1. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Superb, Supriya. Actually, I'm really proud of all of you. Okay, Supriya, Bunny, Shravani, KCET Warrior, Manjula. You all are getting right answers. Pratyush. Okay, means your preparation is actually really going, really going good. Just get more focus. Write more mock tests, please. Listen to me, write more mock tests. If you get a good rank, even you will be not as happy as me, because if I can know that I have helped you a little bit in your preparation and you get a good rank, it makes me so happy, so glad. So I don't want you to miss out on the rank that you can actually get. Get serious, solve as many mocks as possible, get all the formulas in your point, get all the tricks, ask me for help. But you all, these students, Shravani is there, Nagaraj is one of our regulars, Ashya is there, then Supriya, Manjula, all these, Aryan is there, every Pratyush is there, Bunny is there. So I know these names. I have seen you guys really working hard. I've seen you guys giving me the answers. I really want you to get the top rank and tell me, sir, I did that, and you had a little bit of, some role to play, sir. A very little role, but yes, you had some role to play, sir. Please do not take it for granted. You are completely worth it. You are totally, on the point to get the good rank in KCET. Just make this next, 30-35 days that you have your, control it properly, give your all energy, go all in, and then when you come out, you'll be very happy that you did that. Okay? And whatever support you need from me, ask me for it. Be shameless. Ask me all the support. Whatever you're gonna ask, but ask in masses. Okay, I want this sir, whatever you want to ask sir. Come back. If I'm not giving you one, come in all my videos and keep the same comments. Sir, I want this, I want this, I want this. There's no shame to ask your teacher to help you out. Okay, that's what my job is here. Bunny 23 is A, sir. Correct. Differentiated. Sorry to waste your time, Bunny. You get x square, x minus 1. Answer is tan square x. That is always positive quantity. Hence, option is A. So, please promise me and yourself that you are getting good rank in this KCET examination by working really hard for the next few months that you have. Not few, only 2 months, 1.5, 2 months are there. February, the remaining of February you have close to 15-20 days. Not 20 actually, so less only this year, but yeah. You have those days, 15 to 18 days you have left now in this February month. Today is already gone. Next March is full. April, half is also there. You can actually get top 1000 rank if you believe in yourself, if you start cracking the whole thing to simple steps. Okay, I know the names. I'll recall all of you. Okay, every class I come, if you're in the live, I'll recall your names. Bunny, Supriya, Manjula, Aryan. From previous classes, they're not coming regularly, but I know the students. I really want them to also succeed. Nagaraj, Ashya, okay, Teen Man Kafi hai, all these students, okay, I know all of your names. I want you to be regular in the classes. I want you to actually get the top rank. You deserve it. You have worked really hard for it. If not, you're gonna start working hard from today. Okay, make yourself a promise. I want your names in the top rank next year. Okay, get your things together, get your mind together, get your process together. It's gonna happen if you believe it's gonna happen. Nothing can stop you. No one can stop you. Okay, you can actually do it. You just need a little bit of help and self-belief. And trust me, I believe in you. Otherwise, I won't be here. I believe in you that you can do it. I'm here to help you. Just ask me for it. Okay? Ask me. Say whatever the concern is there, you tell me. Okay? Be shameless. Don't worry about whoever is reading a comment. Doesn't matter. You don't even know that person. Why are you worried about that person's thinking about your comment? However silly it is, however dumb it is, doesn't matter. You ask me. I will never judge you. Okay? 24. AOD starts now. Alright. A balloon which always remains. So just one last statement again before I start solving the questions is that I'm here to support you. I'm here to believe in you. If nobody is, I'm here to believe in you. I know you don't know me that well, but if you know me even a little bit, you know that what I'm telling you is actually true. Okay, I don't just give up on students like that. I'm here to believe in you because that's how I am. That's how I teach. That's how I've been. Okay, in the such a long journey of me teaching students, right? I believe in you. You can do it, and I'll help you do it every single step. I'll be here with you. I'll support you. Ask me, bombard me with your comments, sir. I want this, I want this, I want this. I'll come and give you those comments. Those queries resolved. Answer I want for this question. Supriya said 24 D. D is not right, bacha. C is right. 24 C is right, Supriya. Come on. Namaste, sir. Please ask Deeksha team to separate test series for PCM students so that they can give ABHYAS test series in the little less amount. Yeah, bacha, the thing is, the biology is not like that. Okay, so the same amount was given last year. The amount cannot be reduced. Okay, the 1499 is a very fair price. to looking what the kind of effort has been put to bring this series, okay, this test series. So price will not be reduced. I'm sorry for that, but this is a very fair price for the quality that you get and the number of tests that you get. We have already added on and we have already given you free this part. If you don't know the value of this, then I cannot tell you what to do. The free bonus that you've got in this series will be your KCET PYQ tests, live tests. That is going to be a big bonus. That is given for free already. Okay, last year we had the same course for 1499. We did not increase the price. We have added this extra bit. So price will not be reduced. I'm sorry for that. If you are not taking it, then I don't know what to say. All the best, Aki. All the best. I think our team of science teachers have helped you already to crack that practical examination. They have worked really hard to produce those. They have to work. They have to go to the labs of Deeksha and get the lessons recorded. They stayed up late to refine those videos, give it to you in the way you need, and I hope it has actually helped it. But I'm sorry, the prices will be difficult to reduce because already we have added something extra for all of you because we know the importance. All of you know the importance of PU2, PU2 PYQs, and this is not only PYQ. This is the live test. This is like a KCET format test. Okay, the way basically you're attempting the previously conducted test live. The previous KCET sessions that has been happened, you are conducting them live. That's what it means. Very important. The question number 24, let me get back to this now. A balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated, pumping 10 cubic centimeter. Means this is a volume change. This is your volume change. So this is your, and this is with time. So dV by dt is given as 10. Okay. Cubic centimeter of course means centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which radius of the balloon changes. Means they are asking us dr by dt. They are asking us rate of change of radius. Radius is 15 centimeter. R is 15 centimeters. R is 15 centimeter. They are asking that. This is a sphere, right? So volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate now. You get dv by dt as 4 by 3 pi 3 r square dr by dt. Yes, 4 by 3 pi is a constant. Differentiate r cube, you're going to get 3 r square. And dr by dt from the chain rule, 3 and 3 cancels. Answer is 4 pi r square dr by dt. I want this value. I'll move everything on this side. This value is what? This value is 10. So right here, 10. Right here, 10 upon 4 pi 225. Check here. Because r is 15 means r equal to 225. 225 into 9 into 4 is what? Check here. 10 upon pi into, check, 200 into 4. 200 into 4 is 800 and 25 into 4 is 100. It becomes 900. This is your dr by dt. 10 and 10 cancels. 1 by 90 pi dr by dt. Supriya, I hope you can see that now. Answer is not D, answer is C. You're welcome, Aki. I'm sorry. If I could make it for free, bacha, I would do that. Okay, but the thing is, it's not just me. Okay, it's not just our teachers. The whole team at Deeksha has worked a lot, and they are, there's a whole, the technology that goes behind to make these things happen. So they come at very, very, nominal prices. We are not here to just give you 5,000 rupees worth test series and something like that. The total of 35 mock tests, each of them are very valued. The team of teachers are working. I did not make those tests. I want to tell you this. I have not made those tests. People at Deeksha, they've been working here and helping you all for last 25 years plus. Okay, and those faculties, those teaching members have made these tests. Okay, they are from Karnataka. They have studied. They have given examinations for so many years, and they have helped the student for so many years. They have seen the papers, and it's their experience that comes together in ABHYAS KCET test series. Okay, that's why it is so valuable. So that's why I asked you all to take it, because it is not just value making for us. It is more value making for all of you. So whenever you can, start taking the free test series at least, if not the whole thing. Take the 4 free tests. Take it today. Supriya, I think your answer is changed now. Can you please check, bacha? And Supriya, is your doubt clear for the next question? And guys, ask your doubts, okay? I told you your name. I want you to be in the toppers list next year. Okay, Aki, you also. I have seen you It's not classes, it is a test series. Okay, you get question paper, you get solutions, you get PDF solutions. It's a test series, bacha. You get a live test. It is an online test series. It is not a crash course. Yes. So yeah. So Aki was also, one of my in a few of my classes. I remember. So guys, all of you, I'll remember your names. If I forget, you tell me, okay? You bug me to remember your names, because I want to take your names when you all come here to meet us in Bangalore in our centers, and we'll have a nice party, okay? Treat will be on our side. We'll get cakes. Whatever you guys ask, we'll do that, but not too much. But whatever you ask, we'll do that. You get a good rank. I'll be celebrating with you. I'll be jumping with you. I'll be dancing with you. Okay? I really want you to succeed. I want my name attached to you a little bit, because it makes me happy. It makes teachers happy when their students do well. Okay? Whatever they could not do, if they see you guys doing that well, they make, not only me, whoever has taught you, whoever has helped you in your life, they will be very happy to see you succeed. Okay? Yes, and whoever are not happy with you, forget about them, okay? You don't care about them. People who motivate you, people who keep you positive, they are the ones who are worthy to be in your life. Whoever are not, I'm not here to judge you on your life, what to take out, what to take not, but you focus on the positive sides only. Okay, you will be the new young generations who are going to make big decisions in the country, who are going to make this country great, and this is all happens by being positive, by being really hardworking and getting the success that you deserve. All right, question 25. Question number 25, interval in which the function this is increasing. Differentiate, bacha, here f dash of x, you get 3x square minus 12x plus 9. I can take 3 common, I get x square minus 6x plus 3. Am I right so far? Yeah. What is this going to be? Minus 3 is there. Something is wrong. Function is increasing. I get 3x square minus 12x plus 9. I've taken 3 common. So we have 3x square. Yeah, it is simply... No, something does not make sense. What is wrong? What is wrong? Answer, what is the answer? Function x, 3x square minus 12x plus 9, that's correct. I've taken 3 common already. X square minus, okay, I've taken 3 common, my bad. See, sir, silly mistakes happen like this. I am really sorry and ashamed. I've taken 3 common, sorry. My bad. X minus 1 and x minus 3. My bad. Okay, you don't have to laugh at me. I made a mistake. So x minus 1, x minus 3, it becomes minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. X into x is 3x is x square, and minus 3 into x is minus 3x, and minus 1 into x is minus x, becomes minus 4x. Of course, put it equal to 0, you get x value as 1 and 3. Number line, negative infinity, positive infinity. We have 1, we have 3. Look at the coefficient of x. Remember, this is the most important step. Look at the coefficient of x. This is positive. Positive means both are positive. Start with the plus sign over here. They are all having a power in the factors of odd. Only 1 is there, so sign changes. Minus, plus. Am I right? Yeah. I'm looking for increasing interval. It means only positive side. Derivative is positive here. Derivative is positive here. So my answer will be negative infinity to 1 closed union 3 to infinity. If the question was strictly increasing, if the word was here st or strictly increasing, we'll choose option A, but in this case option C is right. Yes, you can get the PDF of this in the WhatsApp channel. You have to go and join the WhatsApp community. Please share the PDF links, the drive link over there. Yes. Do that, Aki. Would love to see you here. You go ahead. All the best. I hope you do really well. Yes, you'll get the PDF of this Tom Cruise. You can get this in our WhatsApp channel. Your name is so fun, man. Tom Cruise. Okay. Yeah. Manjula, answer C is right. Everyone, I hope. Supriya, Bunny, Tom Cruise, Manjula, I hope there's no doubt about this question, okay? Sorry, I made a mistake somewhere. Calculation mistake. Okay, good job. 26 now. Last 10 questions, pakka. This is your last 10 question. Sorry, I've taken a little bit longer class. I went a little bit ahead and talked to all of you a little bit too much. It's okay, right? 26. Sides of an equilateral triangle is increasing. dA by dt is given 4 centimeters per second. The rate at which the area is increasing. Okay, area of a triangle is given by root 3 by 4a square. Differentiate it now. dA by dt. Root 3 by 4 is a constant. It will become 2a dA by dt. You have all the values now. Root 3 by 4, a value is 2, a value is 14. This value is what? 4. Okay, so it becomes 4 and 4 is cancelled. 28 root 3 centimeters square per second. Done. Okay, next 27. The maximum value of log of function is given as ln x upon x. Differentiate it. Quotient rule. So 1 by x into x, okay, minus ln x, okay, and derivative of x will be 1, x square will be 0. We get here, this is cancelled. So 1 minus ln x will be equal to 0. Putting this over here will not make any change. Just ln x will be 1. It means x value is e. And if you have only one critical point, it means does not matter. Put it back in the function. You get ln of e upon e. Answer is 1 upon e. If you have more than one critical point, then you differentiate the second derivative and then you check whether this is a point of maxima or minima. Or if you have an option as none of these. Two conditions. If you get one critical point and you have the option as none of these, then you have to check for the second derivative. If not, simply put the value in the function, get the answer. If you have two options or two critical points, then also you have to find the second derivative. Second derivative is found in two cases. First, you have more than one critical point. Second, if you have an option like none of these. In the option, there is nothing like that, none of these, and we have only one critical point. We don't have to find the second derivative. Save time. Sir, your name. My name is Ankit. My full name is Ankit Srivastav. I take maths on your channel Deeksha Karnataka. Yes. 28. C was right, no? With me, C. 26 was C, correct. 27 B is right. 27 B is right. Nobody gave the answer. Yeah, I can repeat that. I can repeat this. Okay. So what happened now? The question is ln x by x. So we differentiate the function by using quotient rule. We use it, quotient rule, to differentiate the function, keeping ln x derivative as 1 by x as it is, minus ln x as it is, derivative of x is 1, divided by x the whole square. Putting it equal to 0 to find the critical point. Put equal to 0 to find the critical point. You get here ln of x minus 1 is 0, means ln of x has to be what? 1. That happens only when x is e. Okay. Now, usually what happens, we're looking for point of maxima. So next step is to find the second derivative. You have to find the second derivative. But you find this only when if one of the option is given as none of these. Is option D is none of these, or if you have, let's say, 2 or more critical points. Critical points. If you have 2 or more critical point, then you have to find the second derivative. If you have only one critical point, only E, and there is no option like none of these, means of course, sir, that point has to have the point of maxima. Then why are you checking for it? Yes. Manjula, I have repeated it already. I have repeated it already. Makes sense, I hope. Yeah. 28. Particle starts from the rest. Angular displacement is given. Okay, theta is given. Angular velocity is what? This is angular velocity. Change of angular, displacement with time. That's velocity. So differentiate this. You're going to get value as 2t upon 20 plus 1 upon 5. Okay. starts from rest. Okay, if the angular velocity at the end of the 4 second is k, so this value is given as k. So at 4 second means 2 into 4 by 20 plus 1 by 5. Correct, no? Velocity is given as k when t is 4. So taken value as k, then t is 4. So it becomes what? 10 5. Okay, correct. Okay, my bad, such a bad addition. Answer is what? 3 by 5 is k. What are they asking? 5k. 5 into 3 by 5, answer is 3. 28 is D. Good name, sir. I can understand the class well. Hands off to you. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, Tom Cruise. But your name is better, of course, right? Yeah. 28 is D. Yes, 28 is D. I think correct. D is right. Yes. Last 7 questions. Last 7. Sorry. Differentiate this to check the increasing function. So find f dash of x. You get here 1 upon 1 plus x. This is a good question. So please pay attention. Quotient rule over here will give me what? 2 x derivative will be 2. Differentiate numerator. So 2. Keep 2 plus x as it is. Minus sign will come. You have over here 2x as it is. Differentiate this. You're going to get 1. Derivative of 2 plus x will be what? 1. 2 plus x the whole square. 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 plus 2x minus 2x upon 2 plus x the whole square. This is cancelled, right? Yeah. So check this out. You have 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 upon, take LCM, 1 plus x into 2 plus x the whole square. I get over here 2 plus x the whole square minus 4 into x plus 1, right? Taking LCM and subtracting it, yeah. Expansion 4 plus, okay, 4 plus 4x, my bad. 4 plus 4x, no? 2 square is 4, x into 2 into 2 is 4x, plus x square minus 4x minus 4 divided by 1 plus x upon 2 plus x the whole square. Check 4x is there, so 4x is cancelled, 4 is cancelled. I'm getting this value of, what is this? Derivative actually. So f dash of x, I'm getting the value as x square upon 1 plus x 2 plus x the whole square. This value you check now. Now from here be careful, guys. From here be careful. Okay. Love from Karnataka. Tom Cruise. Okay, x square is positive value, is more than 0, or positive, you can say that over here. This value is also positive, it's whole square. What about this? It means this whole thing is basically positive value into sine of this. So if this becomes positive, if this whole thing becomes positive, it means I'll have f dash of x also as positive. I'm looking for function to be increasing. Increasing happens when what happens? When f dash of x is more than 0. Increasing is when derivative is more than 0. This is a positive quantity. When this is positive, f dash of x becomes positive. And this is positive when 1 plus x is 0. More than 0 means x is more than minus 1. It means minus 1 to infinity, open. Check. Is it clear? Is 29 clear? Yeah. 30. A function fx is 4 sine cube x minus 6 sine square x. Anybody has doubt in previous one? Anyone has doubt in previous one? Manjula, Supriya, Tom Cruise with machine. Anybody has doubt in the previous one? No. Function fx is this. I'm looking for strictly, okay, which case is followed? Good question. Find f dash of x first to understand the question statement. We get 12 sine square x, 12 sine square x, and we'll get here cos x as well, minus 12 sine x into cos x, and plus 12 cos x. This will be 100 means 0. Take 12 cos x common. You get here sine square x minus sine x plus 1. Check here. If this is maximum 1 also, this will become what? Always positive. Always positive. Think about it logically. So this part is always positive, because if this is 1, it will become 1 minus 1 is 0. This will be 1 again. So it will be basically always positive, this bracket. It means my f dash of x is more than 0 if cos x is positive, and my f dash of x is less than 0 if cos x is negative. So basically the derivative function sine will depend upon cos x sine, and that makes our life easier. This is the cos x sine. Okay, we want to go to this part also. Minus pi by 2, 0, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Now check the options. Decreasing minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Decreasing means less than. Is cos x less than from here to here? Is it negative? From here to here it is positive. In this range, the cos x is what? Positive, sir. It means if cos x is positive, it will be actually increasing in nature, not decreasing. So option A is wrong. Increasing from where to where? Pi to 3 pi by 2. Check here. Pi is over here. In this range, cos x is what? Below x-axis means 0. So derivative will be what? Less than 0. Means not increasing, actually decreasing. This also is wrong. Next, decreasing 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, you check this interval. This is going to be what again? Cos x is positive. Will be what? Increasing, not decreasing. This is also wrong. Now decreasing pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. Check here. Pi by 2 to pi. This interval. Check. This is the interval. In this interval, cos x is actually less than 0. It means f dash of x is less than 0. It means fx is decreasing. So answer is option D. Does it make sense? Manjula, please check. Answer is D. Supriya, your answer is right. Yes, but your answer is right. So this whole question revolves around this function's nature. Plus and minus depends upon only cos x. I have drawn the cos x graph. I have gone through all the options. I could have given you directly the answer of option D also by looking at this. This is correct. From here to here, cos x is negative. So f dash of x is negative. So fx is decreasing in nature. Makes sense? Yes. 30 is correct. Okay, you gave the answer for the previous one, Manjula. I got it. 29 was B, 30 is D. Next, trigonometric function. This is in second quadrant. Okay, this is simple question, right? Tan x. Second quadrant is what? Pi by 2 to pi, right? This is pi. This is pi by 2. Check here. This goes from where to where? Negative infinity. This is 0. So from pi by 2 to pi, my bad. 1 second. At pi by 2, the function is negative infinity, and at pi the function is 0. So it's coming from this to this. Coming from negative infinity to 0. It means what is it called as? Increasing. This is increasing, no? Check here, the function is increasing its value. So answer is option D. Is D. Yeah, 31 is D. Correct. 32. Circular plate of radius 5 cm is heated due to expansion. Okay. They have given radius increase. dr by dt is given as this value, 0.05. Of course, centimeters per second. At what rate the area is increasing? They are asking us dA by dt. They are asking us at what rate area increasing means dA by dt. They are given the radius at that point of time is 5.2. Do not take this radius, please. Do not take this radius. That's just for information initially. Its expansion is given, okay? You have to take that at the point where it is expanding. That's what they're asking about us. They're asking us the point, so we're going to mention that point only. Check. dA by dt is given by derivative of pi r square. So 2 pi r dr by dt. We have all the values. Check here. 2 pi r is 5.2 and this is 0.05. Check here. We have 100 and we have again 0 this. Check this out now. 2 into 5 is 10. This is cancelled. I get 52 by 100 pi. Answer is 0.52 pi. So C is right. C is correct. Yes, Pratyush, your answer is right. 32 is C. 31 was D, I think. 31 was B. D. 32 is C. Have a look. Distance between distance s in the meters traveled by the particle in t second, given this is s, okay, comes at rest. Velocity is 0. So let's find the velocity first. ds by dt we're gonna find this velocity. I get this as 6 t square by 3 minus 18, and that is 0. Okay. So 2t square minus 18. This is equal to what? 0, because velocity is coming to rest. Means the body is at rest means velocity is 0. So I get 18 equals to 2t square. So I get this as 9. So t will become plus minus 3. T is a time, cannot be negative. So t becomes 3 seconds. T's time cannot be negative. 3 seconds. Check here. Now velocity is given as 2t square minus 18. That's my velocity. I want the acceleration. Let's find this. d by dt to get the acceleration value. That's 4t. 4 into 3. 12 meter per second square. So meter square per second. No, that's meter per second square. Sorry, wrong unit. Meter per second square. All is the wrong unit. Okay, answer is actually A. I know it's not physics, but still units matter, right? It's wrong. My typing mistake. Meter per second square. Answer is 12. Check here. 33 is 12. Sorry, A. And do not forget, guys, to like the session if you enjoyed it, if you loved it. Last two questions are left. 34 and 35. Last 2 questions. Pakka. Okay. Particle moves along the curve when the rate of change of abscissa dx by dt is 4 times ordinate, so dy by dt in the quadrant in which the particle lies in. Okay, take the equation, the ellipse that you have. You get here, differentiate 2x by 16 dx by dt, and we have 2 by 4 dy by dt is 0. Okay, sir. All right, sir. Check. So 2 8s are 2 2s are. So I get here x by 8 dx by dt, and sorry, plus, yeah, what is going to be y by 2 dy by dt is 0. Correct? I want to change this to this also to this only. I'll use this condition. So I get here x by 8 4 dy by dt plus y by 2 dy by dt is 0. 4 to the 8. Check dy by dt common. I get x by, okay, even 1 by 2 is also common. X plus y is 0. I can move on this side, this 2 on this side. I'll get dy by dt into x plus y is 0. This cannot be 0. This cannot be 0. Okay, otherwise it will become what? The change is going to be 0 means the particle will not move. This cannot be 0 means it will become velocity at rest. Means it's going to be particle at rest. It says moves along. Particle will be at rest. This cannot be 0. If this is 0 means dx by dt is also 0. Okay. So this is a non-zero value. From here I get this bracket has to be 0. It means y equal to what? Minus x. Y equal to minus x. This derivative function. Y equal to x is over here. So this is going to be a function of y equal to minus x. Which quadrant is this? Second and fourth quadrant. Option D. A PYQ from which year? 2023. 2023. Yes, Pratyush. C was the previous answer or what? A. No. C for which question, Pratyush? 34D is the right answer. 34D is the right answer. Have a look. Anybody has doubt in this question? I'll wait a minute, then only I move on. Anybody has doubt in this question? Pratyush, Manjula, Supriya, everybody, Tom Cruise, all of you are in the live with machine. Do you have doubt in this question? Ask me. No? I'll move on then. 35. Minimum value of this function. Minimum value of this function will occur at what? Sin x ranges from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. I'll show you. Check here. Don't differentiate this. Sin x goes from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. Make it minus sin x. So you're going to get what over here? Minus of minus 1, minus sin x, and minus 1. When you do that, sign changes, inequality changes. Multiplying with minus sin means inequality will reverse. It will become 1 minus sin x and greater than minus 1. You want 1 also added over here to get the function right. So add it. 1 plus 1, 1 minus sin, you're adding 1 on every side, okay? 0. This function over here, I can rewrite this. I'm getting here 1 minus sin x is less than 2 but more than 0. Check here. This is your minimum value and this is your max value. Check what you want. You want minimum value. Answer is A, 1. 35 is A, dear. That is the max value actually. Repeat. Okay. So if you want, I can differentiate and get the answer else as well, but look at the logic. Sin x ranges from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. Right here, sin x from minus 1 to 1. Okay. Now I want to get this form. So multiply minus sign on both sides. When you multiply minus sign, the inequality reverses. This becomes plus 1. This becomes minus 1. And this becomes less than becomes greater than. Same greater than. Now I want 1 minus sin x. So write 1 minus sin x also. So how are you going to do that? Adding 1 every side. 1 plus 1 is 2. If you add 1, it will become 1 minus sin x. It will become 0. Now check it out. It will become 0 to 2. 0 to 2. I want the minimum value of this function. What's the minimum value? 0. What's the maximum value? 2. Answer is A. Answer is A. Done, guys. This is your last year's PYQ as well and end of your class. Now all of you want to go, you're done. This is the end of your live for CND and AOD PYQ discussion in the Masterstroke live session. When is my next class? So I can tell you the next class is on integral chapter. It'll happen in I think next 2 to 3 days. You get to know the schedule if you join the WhatsApp channel. But yeah, I think in 2 to 3 days you'll have my next live. But I can tell you one thing is, it'll happen on integration chapter. Okay, and everyone was in the live. I want you to make a promise. I will not forget your name. I'll keep reminding you whether you were there in live or not. I know your names. I want you to succeed. So get serious. Believe me, I believe in you. Okay, you can actually make it happen. Whatever you're doing today, try better, try harder. That's it. It's okay if you're getting it difficult. It's okay if you're not getting all the answers. It's okay. Ask me. Ask all of your concerns of mathematics to me, and I'm very sure that all the teachers of our channel will help you understand all the doubts that you're having very, very, with a lot of love. So ask your doubts, ask your queries to us, come to our lives and ask your concerns. Be the champions, be the toppers this year, and you'll see, that you'll remember us that, sir, the last push that you gave actually helped us and we were able to achieve that. Even we could not believe that we can. Okay? So all the best. Use every single day that you have, every single hour that you have. Do not waste time right now, bacha. It's very, very important. Trust me, it's completely doable. If you're feeling that, sir, I think it's just words, sir. I don't think it's going to happen, sir. I have wasted so much of time. I have not done my 11th well. Does not matter. Can you change all of that? No. What you can do is from today onwards, every hour counts. You'll utilize it to the best. And that's it you need. That's all you need. You need me, I'm here. Okay? Believe in me. Trust in me. I completely have faith in you. Just start working hard and you will see the results. You'll see the improvement. Okay? Let's not worry about the exam. Let's not worry about the result. Just have a proper, focused, planned, based study hours. Okay? High weightage priority first. PU2 priority first. KCET has less priority right now. Then after the boards are closer, completely stop the KCET, work on only boards results, boards marks, and later once the board is over, full on KCET preparation. We'll do that together and you'll get a very good marks there. Okay? So all the best. Previous one was on the matrix and determinant. The previous live was, I think, 3 days back on matrix and determinant. Yeah, so 3 p.m. that you see, Pratyush, is a recorded lecture. I'll tell you. So Masterstroke is working in two-way, bacha. Masterstroke, you see, no? Masterstroke, we are doing two things. Again, this is subject wise, okay? This is subject wise. What we're doing over here is we are doing a concept lecture. Concept means theory lecture. So I come and give you theory class. This is recorded. This is recorded, okay? And in the live, I discuss questions. Questions which are PYQs and good problems. Okay, so this was a Masterstroke part only, but it was a question discussion. You've already got the recorded theory lecture of this. So for all the chapters which is there, all 13 chapters of PU2, I am going to give you one-shot lectures which is completely concept and theory, which has some questions of course in it. You'll have 5 to 10 questions over there, but not as many as in the live classes. In live I come and take the most important PYQs and solve it with all of you. Okay? Great. Today what you're getting at 3 p.m. is a recorded class for integration chapter. Live will come later. Does it make sense to all of you now? Manjula, previous class was on matrices and determinant. It was a very easy lecture because it is a very easy chapter. So all the best, guys. Any other question if you have, you can ask me. I'm here to help you out. Whatever I can do, let me know. Yes. Whoever think they don't have any doubt, they can go have the lunch and continue with the preparation. Do not waste even 1 hour of your time. Okay, give your time. Very, very important. This is the last stretch of exam. Yes. And ask me your queries, your concerns regarding your preparation, whatever you're feeling. It's okay, if it is very personal also, don't go that personal, but if you can, I will not judge you. You can share with me the troubles you're facing. I'll assist you. I know it's an open platform, everybody can see your comments, but you can share according to that, and I'll certainly guide you in that. I will never judge you, and don't worry about others. Let them be. Who cares what others are thinking, right? It's the one that matters is you, and it matters that you are improving day by day, every class, every hour. That's what it matters. Okay guys, so I think there's no other queries or the other comment. So I'm going to end the live now. Okay, so again, I'm a supporter. All the best, do wonderful, use your time, ask me your questions, ask me your doubts. We are all here on Deeksha Karnataka to support you in the best way possible. And take ABHYAS KCET free mock today. All of you, go take ABHYAS KCET test series free mock today. Then you decide if you don't want or want. And I know that you all want to have the test series, it's that good. And take it, start practicing mock test, start having the doubts, get the doubts cleared, ask me, and that's it. Okay, so all good, all well. I can end the class now. There's no new comments, there's no new queries. So see you in the next class. Till then, keep smiling, keep working hard, take care.